Are you tired of trying to convert prices from price per pound to price per kilogram, or vice versa? It can be a bit tricky to do the math on your own, but luckily there are online tools that can help. In this video, we'll show you how to use a price per pound to price per kilogram calculator. Let's get started. The first step is to find a calculator that can do this conversion for you. There are many free online calculators available, but we recommend using one that is easy to use and accurate. We'll be using the calculator at www.askmycalculator.com for this demonstration. Once you're on the calculator website, you'll see a list of different calculators you can use. Look for the one called Price per Pound to Price per Kilogram, Pound to Kilogram, Calculator, and click on it. On this calculator, you'll see two input fields. One for the price per pound and one for the weight in pounds. Start by entering the price per pound in the first field. For example, let's say you have a product that costs $4.50 per pound. Enter 4.50 in the first field. Next, enter the weight in pounds in the second field. Let's say the product weighs 2 pounds. Enter 2 in the second field. Now, click on the Calculate button to get the price per kilogram. The result will show you the price per kilogram, which is $9.92 in this case. This means that the product costs $9.92 per kilogram. Now, let's say you have a product that is priced per kilogram and you need to convert it to price per pound. You can use the same calculator, but you'll need to enter the weight in kilograms instead of pounds. Let's use an example where the product costs $12 per kilogram and weighs 0.5 kilograms. After entering the values, click on the Calculate button and you'll get the price per pound, which is $5.45 in this case. This means that the product costs $5.45 per pound. It's that simple. Using a price per pound to price per kilogram calculator can save you time and prevent any math errors. You can use this tool for a variety of different products, whether you're buying groceries, calculating shipping costs, or working on a DIY project. One thing to keep in mind is that the calculator assumes a fixed conversion rate of 1 pound to 0.453592 kilograms. This means that the conversion rate may not be exact in every situation. If you need precise measurements, it's best to consult a professional or use a more precise conversion tool. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to use a price per pound to price per kilogram calculator. We hope you found it helpful.